Get ready for the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G, your ultimate everyday companion that brings premium features without the premium price tag. Immerse yourself in its stunning 6.7 inches AMOLED display, making every scroll, stream, and read an absolute joy. Capture life's incredible moments with the versatile triple-lens camera, from breathtaking landscapes to those perfect close-ups. And say goodbye to battery anxiety with super-fast charging, keeping you powered up all day long. Worried about everyday mishaps? The A16 5G boasts an impressive IP54 durability rating, so you can take it anywhere with confidence. Plus, stay on top of your wellness goals with seamless integration with Samsung Health and Fit 3. This is the smartphone that truly offers awesome value, packed with essential features for your busy life. Ready to upgrade your mobile experience without breaking the bank? Click the Amazon link in the description to discover the amazing Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. If you're searching for the best budget smartphone of 2025, your search ends here.